3, 2, 1.
This is the owner of David's Garden Seeds, snapping beans. Bowl on the left, we had 4 of those full. We had to give more away.
Sometimes I like to chop them, it's just faster to chop. They do make a machine for this, but I don't have the hundreds of thousands of dollars it takes to buy it. Where our dogs eat the ones that fall on the floor. They like the beans. That's too big in the middle. I'm just going to give it to the chickens. It means when you get ready to go out there and harvest them, you notice they'll come in all different kind of sizes and shapes. Some of ours are getting ready to pick a little early now. They're not quite forming the right because it's been too cold, but they're still tasting pretty good. That's a Gita. It's supposed to be 3 foot long. Didn't quite make it. And of course, I usually watch TV while I'm doing this because it's so boring. We used to snap these when we were kids. Now we can take these and we blanch them and freeze them, or we can can them. My wife is taking the easy way out, just blanching them and freezing them. We've already put up gallons and gallons of them already. Of course, it's the first time we've ever gotten a really good bean market because the weather finally cooled enough to get the beans without freezing. Usually by this time we've had a frost that's killed everything off, but I don't think we're going to get a frost this year until at least next year sometime. Now some of these, like this one here, maybe just a little too big, but that's all right. But anyway, this one here, like this one here is too big. This one here is too big. Good, isn't it?